Hello viewers, welcome back in this channel. So in this video I'll guide you on how to get a virtual M-pesa Visa card from M-pesa Global Pay. So what you need is an M-pesa application. You can get it from Play Store. So what you do is just log into the application, and I'm going to use my M-pesa pin to log into the M-pesa app, as you can see on your screen. So my key aim is to get to the M-pesa Global Pay app. So I'll just scroll downwards. As you can see here on your screen. So I'll click on this application written Global Pay. So this is what I'm interested in. So I just give it a few seconds to log in, then use my M-pesa pin to get there. You can follow this on your screen. Right. So our main aim is to see the card details, that is the card number, the CVV, and the expiry date. So those are the most important details. But first, I'll have to first of all change the card color. I can either use a color or an image. So I'll click on change card color. You can follow this on your screen. So I can use various image colors. So these are different colors that you can use, or alternatively you can use an image, as you can see on your screen. So there are various images. So I'm going to use an image. I'm going to opt for an image. See, these are the various images that you can use for the card. So I'm going to use this Mount Kenya image and then click on update card. So the most important part is to see the card details. So we are going to click on see card details and then proceed with an M-pesa pin. So it's going to generate a card number, CVV, and also the expiry date. So now this is the card number for the virtual Visa card, and this is the expiry. It shows the month and the year, and also the CVV. So basically the CVV is a 3-digit security code. So you can use this virtual M-pesa Visa card to do online subscriptions, to pay for online subscriptions. You can also pay Amazon, eBay, Alibaba. You can also use the virtual Visa card to pay for Netflix. So thank you very much for watching this tutorial, and if you are new in this channel, remember to subscribe, comment, share, like, and also hit on the notification bell to get new notification on new uploads. Thank you.